Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Alright, came off the rotation zone. Rotation zone did hold. Coming up to our next cluster area, we had 10,969 poking just through there. Remember, we had that was the 12.5% GAN projection and the slightly rising simple 200 moving average. So right now, next level up we're watching for is 11,178. You could just say 11,200, and then above that I'd be watching for a return to about 11,424. Currently key support, so we had this little resistance shelf now becoming support with the rotation zone. So that's about 10,670 first level, and then the other key level is about 10. I'm going to just go ahead and call it 10,500. That's just slightly above the rotation zone right there. If we did fall through there, I'd watch for 10,250. Let's check out the daily chart on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, no cross the rotation zone yet. We're back above the rotation zone, so it's in neutral on the daily chart. So we're in slightly bullish mode on the 4-hour, neutral on the daily chart, and still bearish. Or hold on, let me double check before I say something. No, we're still in bullish on the weekly chart. So this is getting back to somewhat bullish mode. Daily is still neutral, but the 4-hour is in the favor. So I'm just looking to see if there's any other key levels I have not listed. Not really. So those are your key levels. If we have some movement, I'll get another video out tomorrow. Let me check over to Ethereum. Ethereum also finally breaking through, coming up to the cluster area of the declining 50 and the 25% retracement and the 12.5% projection right around 234, just poking through it and dropping back down. That still is a key resistance area. You can also see over here to the left how it was resistance before, so this is still holding level resistance. Getting through there, we'd be watching for about 238. Then above that, there's not a lot of stopping points. The next major level above that is 255. But remember, if we poke up through here and then pull back, then update your projection levels. Now, key support. If we break back down, you see this little support or resistance ledge now becoming support with the rising rotation zone, 227. Then below that, some minor support about 224. And if we fell through that, I'd be watching for a return to 212. No divergences set up, so this is still, we're in bullish mode now on Ethereum. On the 4-hour, the daily chart is still in bearish mode because we're just touching the rotation zone, so clearly in bearish mode. And the weekly chart, just to recap everything. All right, the weekly chart, we're still holding right inside the rotation zone. So weekly chart is still bullish, daily chart is bearish, and 4-hour is slightly bullish. So that's how we're looking right now. So this is not the time to be super aggressive, but you can trade and use those key levels on the 4-hour on any rally to raise your stops. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.